sure you're sick of me talking about this, but I just did a 4-hour workshop, my Love versus Fear workshop, and I talk about all the strategies we shouldn't be using. Anything PBIS, anything reward-based, stickers, tickets, tokens, points, clips, mystery student, desk pets, door decorating contests, assemblies, parties, school ticket systems or money, all of those things we should not be doing. And I did 2 hours, then we had a break. And I had probably 15 different stories of kids as young as like 19, where they said these things were used with them in preschool, kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth grade, and how it only increased their anxiety. People were diagnosing them with ADHD, which we shouldn't be doing. Going to the reflection table because someone was telling somebody else to be quiet so they didn't get in trouble, and the one who said be quiet went to the reflection table and got in trouble and got clipped down. Guys, I keep getting the same feedback from people that these strategies are hurtful to them. My question is, when do we stop using the strategies? I've had enough of the stories.